Pete, you came.
Yes, of course. I wouldn't miss this for the world. This is Adam, my son.
Hi, Adam. Did your father tell you how he saved our lives?
It's true? I thought he was making it up.
Not at all. Your father is a hero.
Natalie, Alice. You here?
Detective Smith. I almost didn't recognize you with that dress on.
Ha ha ha. Today is my day off, so you can call me Kelly.
Hello everyone. Detective Smith, how are you? Pete, have you bought your new car yet? I bet it's fast. Ladies. Hi, Lawrence. You seem very happy. I am. Look at my collection. I've never seen my works of art surrounded by so many people, with so much vitality. By the way, there's someone I'd like you to meet. This is Amelia, the director of the museum.
Hi everyone.
Amelia, I have someone very special to introduce. This is Natalie, the woman I told you about.
Hi, Amelia. It's a real honor to meet you. Of course I already know who you are. I've read all your articles about museology.
That doesn't surprise me. Lawrence tells me you are very professional and hardworking.
Well, I'm not sure about that.
Well, I know for a fact that you are. Your university told me you graduated with honors, top of your class.
You called my university?
Absolutely. I wouldn't hire a new curator for the museum without checking their academic records first. And I have to say, yours are impeccable.
Me, your new curator? Here at the National Gallery.
Of course, who better to take care of our new exhibition hall?